Want to own a home service franchise that's simple, scalable, and in demand year-round? Meet Window Genie, founded in 1994 and now part of Neighborly, with over 100 locations across 33 states and counting. Window Genie isn't just windows. They do pressure washing, gutter cleaning, tinting, holiday lighting, and it's all recurring premium services. As a franchisee, you hire teams, focus on strategy, and grow a local brand with national support. Startup costs range from about $140K to $270K, with just $50K in liquid capital required, and exclusive territories are ready for the taking. Window Genie gives you proven tools, training, marketing, and tech support, protected territory, and access to buying power through ProTradeNet, saving thousands on equipment. Want numbers as clear as your client's windows without getting your hands dirty? Check out franchiseba.com.
Sponsored content.